Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your engine brake cable, which is right here guys. Runs up to your handle. So this is where the cable connects guys, and you'll need to remove the plastic cover to get to this. So we just need a needle nose pliers guys to pull on these tabs so we can get it out of the housing there, and then we'll remove it from this housing guys. So we just want to squeeze these tabs guys, and there we go. So now we can just pull the cable out like that, pull this down. Okay guys, so now we got our new cable. While installing guys, you may need to use a file, a mill bastard file, single cut file, to just grind this down a bit guys, so it will go back into this hole. So if you do run into that issue guys, just use a file to rub it down. So we'll just do the reverse of what we did, pulling it apart to get it back installed guys. So we'll just get that in there, push this plastic tab back in, and then we can work our way back to the bale guys. So now guys, we'll just insert this piece here into our bale like that. It seems we might need to do some filing on this guys as well, so we can get it back into our bale. So let me get that done and I'll catch y'all in a sec. So after some grinding guys, there we go. So all we need to do is reinsert this into the hole here provided, and that is it guys. So that's how you replace your engine brake cable on your Toro personal pace. Please remember to like, share and subscribe guys, and please remember my tip: if you have spark issues, this can be the cause of it as well guys, as it's grounding your ignition coil and not allowing you to get any spark. So please watch my other video on how I diagnose spark issues. God bless. Thank you guys. So that's how you want to see that spring working guys, fully extending. And the part when you do receive it guys, the new cable may be a bit longer than the original that comes on the more, but I guarantee you guys it will definitely work. So I'll leave the part number and all the tools needed for this job guys in the description. Another quick tip guys, if after you get it running and you release your bale and it doesn't cut off the engine, it means you haven't connected back your ignition coil ground wire, which runs from the back of the engine to the ignition coil guys. So just something to make note of whenever you are doing this, to always ensure that everything is connected and tightened down properly. Thanks again guys, God bless. See y'all on the next one.